ABLinox Guangdong Precision Medical Technology Company Limited was established in year 2008. Now it is a high-tech enterprise that integrates design, development, production, and export service. It has 50,000 square meters of modern production base. It has a 30-persons R&D center, 20-persons QC group, and 280 workers totally. With own casting and machining production lines, it has strong ability in OEM and ODM services. We have 3 series main products: stainless steel balustrades and handrail, faucet and shower, and custom investment casting parts. The production line capacity for investment casting is 150 tons per month. More than 120 units processing machines we have, including 36 CNC lathes, 2 CNC machining centers, and 40 polishing machines. It is one of the few domestic enterprises in stainless steel field that can produce and control raw materials, machining, and surface treatment all by itself. Our factory has obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001 certificates. We build win-win relationship with our clients, workers, and environment. Our team dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. ABLinox mission is to become a Chinese enterprise which respected in the world. Look forward to cooperate with you soon.